Hello YouTube. Today I'm going to be doing an unboxing of a 3-piece breakfast set with pub seats from Big Lots. And I'm not going to actually do the unboxing on camera, but when I get everything laid out, I'm going to come back to the video. So just stay tuned, everybody. Okay, yeah. Okay, I got everything laid out there, YouTube, that comes in the box. So that's the cushion to it, to one of the seats. That's the other cushion. Those are the legs, the sides of the legs of the table. Everything is already here, it's out, laid out here. It comes with the assembly instructions. It comes with the stools and everything in a pack, labeled nice and everything neat. And the tool that comes with it to assemble everything is already there. So no need to buy any tools. Everything you need is in the box. There's the tabletop here. Pretty solid. So yeah, it's what you call a 3-piece breakfast set with pub seats. Everything is in the box for assembly. Tools provided. And there's a picture of the SKU number and everything if everybody want to go and check it out. I recommend it. I think I like it already. Okay, YouTube. Thanks for watching. Rate and subscribe.